Managing customers across town can feel like solving a puzzle. But what if you could literally draw the solution? Today, I'll show you how the new map boundaries in TrashFlow help you organize customers geographically, making route creation logical and efficient. Think of map boundaries as service zones that you draw right on your map. Instead of manually sorting through customer lists, you're creating geographic areas that group your customers together. Map boundaries is designed specifically for teleroute users, giving you a powerful tool to visualize and organize your service territory in ways that make sense for your business. Here's what map boundaries can do for your operation. First, it solves the challenge of splitting your customers into logical service areas. No more guessing which customers belong on which routes. You can now see it on the map. Second, it transforms how you create routes. Instead of building routes customer by customer, you're working with predefined geographic zones that keep routes organized. Third, it gives you useful reporting capabilities. Generate reports of all customers or container placements within any boundary. Let's walk through creating map boundaries together, step by step. First, click on Teleroute in the TrashFlow tile bar. Then, select Customers from the menu on the right. You'll see options to search for multiple customers or a single customer. For this example, we'll select multiple customers. Use the Map Manager window to customize which customers you view on the map. The map will open with your selected customers displayed. Now, create a boundary using the icon on the top right corner of the map. You can choose between circle or polygon to draw your shape. For this example, we'll use the polygon option. With the polygon tool, click to place points to form your boundary. For the circle tool, simply click and drag to create your circle. Once your boundary is created, you have several options in the map menu. You can edit the boundary to change its structure, edit the name to rename it, or delete it entirely if needed. Here is where it gets powerful. Select Create Route in the menu to make a route out of the customers within your boundary. Name that route, and if you have route optimization on your TrashFlow license, you can select that option as well. Next, go to the Routing tile on the main TrashFlow window and search for the route you just created from the boundary. From there, you can send the route to Teleroute like you normally would. Once you've created the boundaries, you can generate detailed reports. Want to see all customers in a specific zone? Generate a customer report for that boundary. Need to analyze container placements in an area? Run a placement report for any boundary you've created. These reports give you data you need for planning, analysis, and decision-making, all organized by the geographic zones you've defined. Map Boundaries transforms route planning from a data exercise to a visual strategy. You see your service territory, draw your zones, and create routes that make geographic sense. Ready to bring visual organization to your customer base? Start with one area of your territory, create your first boundary, and expand from there. We hope you found this video useful. If you have any questions, please contact our tech support at 800-708-8642. We appreciate you taking the time to watch this video. And most of all, we appreciate you for being a member of the Trash Flow family.